If you want to learn how to use a pocket survival wire like this, then stay tuned to the end of the video. Hi, I'm Jimmy, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use this pocket survival wire, and this is a very great tool to have in your arsenal. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, it would be amazing if you can hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell on. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to use this. So what we have here is a 20-inch wire with no edges on there. So that means it's definitely safe to use, and any kid over the age of 7 or 8 years old can easily use this without hurting themselves. The next thing to be aware of that this pocket survival wire can cut through plastic. It can also cut through wood. It can also cut through thin pieces of metal. So this is definitely something that you want to have in your arsenal. Now, as you can see, that it's very durable. So it's built to last for a long time. And another particular thing you want to make sure is that when you're using this wire, you want to make sure that it's stretched out the longest it can go, because you don't want any kinks in your wire. Because if you have kinks in your wire, you're not going to be able to cut any wood successfully. So with that brief description of the product, let's get to it and show you how to actually use it. So before you begin to use this piece of equipment, you want to make sure you stretch it out farthest as it can be. You want to loop your thumbs in between the hooks so that you're able to get a motion. You don't want to stop when you're cutting your tree. So make sure thumbs in and nice smooth motion, stretched out, that you get all the kinks out the wire. So as you can see here, I have a little tree stump, and I want to show you just how effective this pocket survival wire is. So you want to go ahead and stretch it out. Make sure all the kinks pit your thumbs in between the hooks, like so. Then you want to make sure you can saw it towards you. This is the best way. You want to just go in a nice motion without stopping. You see how I'm doing all the way through, all the way back and forth. Very effective. Definitely a tool you need in your outdoor arsenal. Okay. Want to keep going. Okay. Work like a charm. So another way you can use the pocket survival wire is you can transform it into a bow saw. So what you need to do is you can get a branch from a tree and make sure the branch is able to bend. And you want to slit a knot on each end, and then you want to put the hooks in the notch, as you can see right here. So you have a handy dandy bow saw. Now let me show you how to use this, okay? So I want to demonstrate how this bow saw works. So you want to find a branch or tree, you want to place it on a point where you want to cut it, and then you just want to put a little, make sure you apply a little pressure to it, and then you just start cutting away. So there are different ways you can use this, but this is the way that I find more effective when I'm trying to get me some branches. See how I'm going nice? I'm going all the way through, all the way through, all the way through. Okay. Like I said, make sure the wire is stretched out, that there's no kink in there. Kink in the wire. Okay. Alright, get in there. Okay. Almost there. Now obviously you can do this on a thicker part of a tree branch. I'm just showing you for a video purpose. But you never know where you're going to find yourself at in the situation out there. So there you go, a nice smooth cut. So in this video, I showed you exactly how to use a pocket survival wire. There are many different cutting techniques, but I just wanted to give you the basics. Now, if you like this video, I'm going to be making tons of outdoor videos, and it'll be amazing if you can hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to be updated. Now, my wife does more of the how-to videos. I do the outside videos. So guys or girls, if you're interested in learning more about these type of topics, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.